YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. This is Trisha here. I am so happy to see you here this morning, and I just wanted to reach out with a couple of tips. So today I just first want to ask you to like and subscribe to my channel if you are enjoying the content that I post. And also, if you didn't mind, just if you want to get more notifications when I post new videos, just hit the notification bell. Anytime I post a video, you will get a notification saying that I have a new video posted. So anyway, I just wanted to reach out today to tell you guys, when you're having your business, your home care business, you want to set priorities, you want to set goals for yourself, even if it's like monthly goals or weekly goals or even daily goals. You know, how I set my day is I get up in the morning, first of all, and thank the Lord for waking me up in the morning, and also giving him thanks for all the blessings that I have in my life, which is like having my home, having my family, having health and strength, having my businesses and so on, and just asking him to continue to bless them. So that's one of the first things I do is I give thanks, and I write down things that I'm thankful for. Also, what I've done is also recorded myself saying affirmations. So that's something that you can also do for yourself, is writing down things that you aspire to have and that you're thankful for, and recording it for yourself, and you play it back for yourself, and you can listen to your own voice saying, affirmations, like, money comes to me. I expect money to come to me every day, or however you want to say it. So I do that for myself. Then the next thing that I do is I get myself cleaned up for the day, and I go downstairs and I'll light a candle for myself, which I love, beautiful candles, the scents and so on, and it just sets the atmosphere. And what I do most of the time is I do that early in the morning before my family gets up. So a lot of us are mothers and wives and so on, which I am myself. And, you have to find that quiet time for yourself. Not that you don't love your family, but you do, have to set the tone for the day. It's by going down and coming out to however your home is, just coming out to a space where it's quiet and serene early in the morning before the day gets going, before the phone starts to ring and all the kids come out and they need this and they require your time. You just take time for yourself. Self-care is so important, So what I do is I'll come down and I'll put a pot on for the water to boil some water for tea, and I will light my candle and I will say my prayers, and then I just sit down to my desk, go in the living room, wherever I feel like sitting that day, on my back deck. I love my back deck. Y'all seen that. And I just sit there and I write out certain things that I want to do for that day. If I need to go to the grocery store, I write out a list of things that I need to do and buy, and calls I may need to make and follow up on, and as far as my businesses and so on. Also, whatever things need to be made for my family, like appointments and stuff like that, I do that as well. Just setting the tone for the day. Then I'll write out weekly goals. What do I need to get done that week? If it's, my YouTube videos, setting those up, the content, all that things, I do all of that as well. I'll write it out for the week. Then I have a monthly goal, say it's a financial goal. For instance, you want to pay off a bill or something like that, I will write those things out as well. So it kind of sets me up and gives me a blueprint for myself for the week, for the month, and even as much as for the year. What kind of goals I'm setting for myself, what things I need to do. I take that time for myself early in the morning. Some days, I may slack off, like a Sunday. I may stay in bed a little later, but most of the time I get up early, and my husband complains, like, you gotta wake up and you're not even there. Because I get up just to have that moment to get things set for the day. It helps you. It will help you to get yourself organized, to put things on paper and plan things out for yourself, for your business. It will make things so much easier for yourself, okay? And make sure that you take time for yourself to go out. If it is to go for a massage every now and again, go get your hair done. Reward yourself when you hit milestones. If it's buying yourself a bag or whatever, not just using your money frivolously. You set plans and goals for yourself and say, when I reach this goal, I'm gonna buy myself a nice bag. Spend maybe, I don't know, $200, $500 on the bag for yourself, but not just to go buy the bag just because you made money. But you write a goal for yourself and say, this is the amount of money I'm gonna spend if I make this amount of money, okay? So I just wanted to reach out to you. Today's my anniversary, and right now we are celebrating in Galveston, Texas. Right now I'm at an Airbnb, and it's a beautiful place, and we're at the beach, and we're just gonna spend the day together, but I wanted to say hi and reach out to you guys as promised that I'll be, posting and staying engaged with you guys and giving you tips. And today my tip was to do something for yourself, what your goals are, write them down, and taking time for yourself and being organized, that it will help you in your business, and you will see little achievements as you go by, as you plan and set things up for yourself. You will see things get better, okay? I just wanted to reach out to you guys. I'm going out to celebrate now. So again, thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel, and also hitting the notification bell for days when I upload videos. You will get a notification, okay? And I'll talk to you guys soon. Enjoy your day. Love on each other and enjoy life. It comes and goes very quickly, okay? So take care and enjoy your day. Bye-bye.